Okay guys, we are in Jollibee. We just had a small snack. Find their own. Day off niya guys. Hi! Day off niya guys. Nandito kami sa Jollibee. We finished. We just finished. That is our carcass.
What's the ice cream?
Sa ice cream. Sarap. Malakata sa car park. Dari lang yan. Okay, let's go. Let's shall go. Tayo na guys. So nasa ano tayo? Ayala Malls. Dedretagi no? Supermarket. Sige. There. We are in Ayala Mall. Nag-lunch lang kami very quickly. And very, very quick. Ayan si Daddy. Okay, let's go. So guys, ayan, gabi na. Late na guys. Time check is 8 o'clock. So, may mga bisita tayo dumating at saka may mga ginawa tayo guys. Ang dami kong ginawa today. Tapos yun, ito isa sa mga binili namin today. Ayan, 99 pesos lang siya guys. Lagyan na ng tubig. Ayan na guys, puno na. I fill it up with water and then I put our stickers, angel wings. Ayan. Ayan guys, so we have water on the side. And then we will watch TV. So, yun lang naman guys ang ano namin na nagawa namin for today. Hindi naman kami masyadong lumabas kami sandali lang and then lumabas ulit kami, namili. Hindi na yata ako nakapag-vlog. Tapos ginrap lang namin si Bukay. So so ayan. So we'll just have a look kung ano pa yung ma-vlog natin. Nanonood lang si Daddy ng TV, tapos naglinis lang ako dito. And then that's it for now. And we shall see you soon. Ubus naman pag nag-vlog. No more. Ako nang bilhin. McDonald's trip.
Nearly home.
Nearly home. This is a McDonald's away from the house. Near Lagoon outside. I will video the outside Lagoon. Order ito. Okay. Okay, let's go. So guys, we went inside the McDonald's to have something to eat in front of Lagoon. It's quite a busy day today for the traffic. Ayan, and we park our car on the other side. Si Daddy, namasyal siya guys. Kasi you give, they will share. Hey, right. Turn on. Sila. It's two of them reversing the car.
Yeah, one run from up there, just about. Lady there too.
Badjaw, Daddy. When you see the kids, they ferrying Badjaw for sure. They ask for money on the streets.
Yeah, she's still walking along here.
Oh, see? Oh, namiilis siya bata. Tinlo man. Tinlo man eh, bayo. Oh, bisan din lang na yan. Nag-ano na sila yaga. Asking money for her kids. Okay, nearly finished. Luto tayo ng dinner, Daddy, and then kain na. This is our third floor at night time. Walang party tonight. So tahimik siya, guys. And tahimik sa third floor. So guys, good evening. Good evening, Daddy. He's busy, guys. He's busy with his ano. Are you busy with your no, Dad? With your game? Yup. Gabi na. Buring-buring. Gablog ko. Si Smiles. You can see. It's dark. Wow, it's warm outside, guys. Okay, let's update with our ano, guys, shop. Ay, dumagba. Ew. I'm going to jump up. Arrange muna tayo. Okay. Yan. So, update sa store. Ito yung kaganapan. May mga binibinta na tayo na ano. So, this is the update of our store, guys. Pwede tayong mag-arrange. Lagay ko lang kayo dyan. Wait. Okay, guys, finish from the store. Tapos na tayo, guys, sa store. Nakakuha na tayo ng pera. Ilalagay na lang natin sa ano, sa store na lagyanan. So, okay, ano pa ba ang ma-share ko sa inyo, guys? Ayun. Binili ko to yung ano, cover sa Shopee. As you can see, marami tayong nabili. And then today, ang sinusuot ko, yan, pajama set. Binili ko rin. This is another set ito. Ayan. Tapos, ang nangyari is, ano, guys, bumili ako ng kaunti, mga 6 siguro. Tapos gintry ko siya na ilagay muna sa store kasi binibili talaga ng mga tao yung mga sinusuot ko, guys. So gusto din nila i-try. So ayan. Tapos nag-ano lang ako ng milk. Timpla lang ng milk. For tonight, kumain ako ng isang banana. So okay na yun. Alright. So, naglinis na din ako doon sa third floor. Nagluto ako doon eh. So, naglinis na din kami. Si Bubo naglinis. And then, naglinis lang ako talaga ng, ano ko, yung ginamitan ko ba. Para hindi na siya maglinis kasi umuwi na siya. So, very clean na yung third floor. Wala tayong ganap doon. So, okay lang. Kasi medyo nakakapagod din minsan pag may ganap tayo dito sa bahay. mahirap mag-entertain. Dapat pag mag-entertain, may mga help tayo na marunong magligpit, marunong maglagay ng mga gamit. Balik, yun. Para hindi tayo mapagod. O diba? So, ayan guys. So, this is our life in Bacolod City. Naka-ano lang tayo. Chill. And this is our CCTV. Tahimik siya. So, ayun. Tahimik din tayo. Hindi ko alam kung lalabas kami just to go out for ice cream. Hindi ko alam.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.